Understanding the phrase, a pall of gloom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. In this video, we'll explore the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase, a pall of gloom. It's a vivid expression that can add depth to your English conversations and writing. Let's get started. A pall of gloom is an idiom that paints a picture of sadness, depression, or a somber mood over a place, person, or group. The word pall historically refers to a cloth that covers a coffin, which signifies death and mourning. When we say there's a pall of gloom, it implies that the atmosphere is so heavy with sorrow or despair that it feels like it's physically covering the area or people involved. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the news of the tragedy, a pall of gloom descended on the village. 2. The unexpected defeat of the team cast a pall of gloom among the fans. In both examples, the phrase is used to describe a collective feeling of sadness or disappointment, almost like a dark cloud hanging over the people involved. The phrase, a pall of gloom, has its roots in the word pall, which dates back to the late Middle Ages. Originally, a pall was a rich cloth, often purple in color, used to cover altars or coffins. Over time, the association with funerals made pall synonymous with mourning and sadness. The idiom, a pall of gloom, emerged from this association, using the imagery of a dark, heavy cloth to describe an overwhelming feeling of sorrow. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of the phrase, a pall of gloom. English is filled with such vivid expressions that can add color to our language and help us convey our emotions more effectively. Keep exploring and practicing, and you'll soon find yourself using these idioms with ease. Until next time, happy learning!